Imagine holding technology in the palm of your hand that used to cost thousands of dollars and required heavy gear. That is exactly what the latest leaks about the DJI Mini 6 Pro are promising. We are talking about a massive leap in compact drone technology that could redefine high-end aerial filmmaking forever. Today, we are diving deep into every rumor, separating the revolutionary upgrades from the pure marketing hype. To truly understand why everyone is talking about this drone, we have to look at what came before it. The Mini 5 Pro set an insanely high bar by squeezing a large sensor, full obstacle avoidance, and a dynamic gimbal into a frame under 249 grams. That weight threshold is everything for casual flyers and professionals alike, as it bypasses the strict registration rules in most countries. But pushing the boundaries of an already incredible machine is no easy task. How do you make something great even better? The answer lies right inside the camera module. Rumors suggest that while the physical sensor size might stay at 1 inch, DJI is moving toward a stacked sensor architecture. Instead of processing data through traditional layers, a stacked sensor processes light information almost instantly. What does this mean when you are flying? It practically eliminates rolling shutter. If you have ever panned quickly across a city skyline and noticed building edges bending like jelly, you have seen rolling shutter in action. With a stacked sensor, fast-moving objects stay sharp, lines remain straight, and your motion looks buttery smooth, giving your videos an effortless cinematic quality. Then there is the headline-grabbing feature everyone is debating: 6K video capability. Having the power to record in 6K resolution offers content creators ultimate freedom. You can crop into a frame, reframe your subject, or apply heavy post-production stabilization while still exporting a pristine 4K video. However, packed into a tiny chassis under 249 grams, heat dissipation becomes a massive engineering challenge. High-resolution video generates intense heat very fast. Because of this physical limit, we are more likely to see stable 6K at 30 frames per second, with higher frame rates reserved for shorter recording bursts. Even with those real-world limits, having 6K in an ultra-lightweight drone is a monumental achievement. For serious filmmakers, the most exciting rumor is easily the addition of a mechanical variable aperture. Normally, flying on a bright sunny day means constantly landing your drone to swap out physical neutral density filters whenever the sunlight shifts. A variable aperture changes everything. It lets you adjust your lens opening dynamically mid-flight, controlling exposure smoothly from bright daylight to dim golden hour lighting without ever taking the drone out of the air. Bringing this high-end feature down to a lightweight drone is a true game-changer for workflow efficiency. Beyond raw hardware specs, the underlying software is getting a major overhaul. Smarter processing algorithms will allow the drone to handle tough contrast scenes far better, recovering hidden details in dark shadows and bright highlights. That means less time spent color correcting on your computer and more time capturing incredible footage out in the field. Battery performance is also getting a big boost, with rumors pointing to advanced silicon-anode battery cells. These batteries hold significantly more energy without increasing physical size or weight. While claims of an hour-long flight time might be overly ambitious, reaching 40 solid minutes of real-world flight time is a very realistic target. Keeping all these features and battery upgrades under the strict 249-gram limit is a delicate balancing act, but it is one that DJI excels at. Flight safety and tracking smarts are also taking a step forward. Upgraded predictive tracking algorithms mean the drone won't lose track of you even if you momentarily disappear behind trees or obstacles. Furthermore, integrating laser-assisted depth sensors ensures that night flights and sunset clips remain safe, helping the drone navigate complex environments even when visible light is extremely low. Taking all these leaks into account, my best opinion on the DJI Mini 6 Pro is that it represents an absolute masterpiece of engineering. If these features land in the final version, it will completely close the gap between heavy commercial drones and lightweight, portable gear, making professional aerial cinematography accessible to every creator anywhere in the world. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.